In this video, we will be connecting the AWID LR 3000 long-range reader to an access control panel. To connect your long-range reader, it's important to have a separate dedicated power supply rated at 12 volt 3 amps or more. We will first connect our reader to the power supply. Cut the 10-pin connector that comes with the reader, then separate and strip the red, black, and yellow wires. To arm the reader, the yellow and black wires must be twisted together. From the reader, connect the red wire to the power supply positive, and connect the black and yellow wires to the power supply negative. The reader should now have power, and is indicated by the red power LED located on the bottom of the reader. Now we will connect our reader to the access control panel. Separate and strip your green, white, and blue wires. The green wire is connected to the panel's data 0, the white wire is connected to the panel's data 1, and the blue wire is connected to the panel's ground, or the data common. It is important to use shielded wire for the installation, and to leave the shield floating at the panel. At this point, you should secure the remaining wires, and at any time, the wiring diagram can be found on the back of the reader. Your long-range reader should now be working. When presenting a tag, the green LED activity light will flicker each time a tag is read. You have successfully wired up an LR 3000. For technical support, you can contact AWID at our phone number or visit us at awid.com.